Hey everyone, and today we are going to talk about generative AI in software engineering. In the dynamic world of software engineering, generative AI is rapidly carving a niche, promising a fusion of creativity and automation like never before. In this video, we're gonna talk about the potential in software development and the challenges it brings. And the rise of generative AI in software development, the integration of artificial intelligence into software development has been a transformative journey that began decades ago. Initially, AI was primarily employed for automating mundane tasks and simplifying algorithms. However, with the rise of machine learning and neural network in the late 20th and early 21st century, AI's role in software development began to dramatically evolve. Traditional AI primarily relied on rule-based systems. These systems executed predefined instructions based on set rules and logic, enabling tasks such as sorting data or basic pattern recognition, while efficiency and capabilities were limited to their programming. In contrast, generative AI represents a paradigm shift. Instead of just following explicit rules, generative models learn from vast amount of data to produce new original content. They are not limited to reproducing known patterns. They can innovate, creating content ranging from artwork to code snippets. As generative AI gains traction, the software development landscape is witnessing a new era where AI doesn't just assist developers but collaborates with them, potentially generating code, suggesting optimization, or even predicting user requirements. This evolution from traditional rule-based AI to the creative capabilities of generative AI marks a revolutionary stride in software engineering. So we're going to talk about generative AI in E2E, software development lifecycle. Generative AI's reach extends well beyond simple code assistance. It enriched software terms at every stage of the software lifecycle, from foundational code programming and streamlined low-code platforms to advanced conversational development methods, such as comprehensive influence redefines the entire software development lifecycle, offering model strategies and efficiencies at every phase. Let's delve into how generative AI can revolutionize the entire spectrum of the software engineering value chain, from ideation to deployment. Its impact promises a transformed approach to software creation and management. So, in first stage, we need to gather all requirements and requirement analysis. Generative AI is rapidly becoming an invaluable tool in the realm of requirement analysis in software engineering. We need to identify user needs. So Gen AI rapidly processes waste of data to discern user patterns. It pinpoints specific needs and preferences, offering businesses a precise understanding of user demands, leading to more tailored product offerings. Generate user stories. Gen AI streamlines the creation of user stories by analyzing user interactions and feedback. This technology transforms insight into concise narratives, ensuring product development aligns with user needs. Reverse engineering, for example, Gen AI can aid in reverse engineering by decoding code structures and deriving functionalities. It not only provides insights into original code, but it can also auto-generate documentation, enhancing comprehension of legacy systems. From the benefit of Gen AI, it also can resolve conflicts. AI can analyze requirements to detect inconsistencies or overlap, facilitating smoother system development. By predicting potential clashes, it aids in harmonizing conflicting requirements, ensuring a more cohesive project outcome. Harnessing generative AI for requirement analyzing streamlines the software engineering process, ensuring products are user-centric, well-documented, and free from conflicting demands, paving the way for more efficient and effective solution. Oh yes, we will started from analysis. Let's discuss design. Right now, because Gen AI is a game changer for the software design phase. And we're gonna talk about generate architecture diagrams. Generative AI streamlines the creation of architecture diagrams by interpreting system specifications. It offers rapid visualization of system structures, ensuring optimal design, and can preemptively highlight potential issues, enhancing the overall design process. From design perspective, also can select optimal technology. Generative AI, leveraging its data-driven insights, can recommend the best suited technologies for specific projects. By analyzing requirements and constraints, it suggests optimal tech stacks, ensuring efficient system design and maximizing project outcomes. It also can generate data models. It also streamlines data modeling by auto-creating entity relationship diagrams and data structures. Through analyzing requirements, it crafts optimal models, ensuring consistency and reducing manual design effort, thus accelerating system development. We need to remember again about generate wireframes. So Gen AI can create wireframe, translate design concept into visual drafts. By interpreting user needs, it proposes intuitive layouts, facilitating rapid prototyping, and enhancing user experience design, making the initial design phase more efficient. In addition, Gen AI can help by encompassing interactive prototype creation, streamline UI UX testing, and pattern-guided design improvements. Furthermore, it equips designers with proactive tools such as MindMap, Plant, UML, GPT, and Mermaid.js, ensuring a user-focused software blueprint. On search stage, we have build. So in the world of coding, generative AI stands out as a transformative force. Code generation Gen AI facilitates efficient code generation tailored to specific project requirements. It further create code logic, ensuring developers grasp its intricacies. Moreover, it can automate the creation of comprehensive documentation, streamlining understanding and maintenance. We need to remember that Gen AI also can review the code and make debugging. Because it enhances code review by detecting anomalies and suggesting optimal refactorings. It accelerates debugging and identifying issues using patterns recognition. Together, these capabilities ensure cleaner code bases and streamline development workflows. code migration, because GenAI simplify code migration but by analyzing and translating legacy code structures to modern frameworks. Leveraging AI, teams can identify migration bottlenecks, streamline code adaptation, and ensure compatibility across platforms, making transition smoother and more efficient. The next level is unit test generation. We can create unit tests by analyzing code and corresponding test cases in test plans. It crafts tailored tests, ensuring comprehensive coverage and alignment with predefined criteria. This approach streamlines validation and bolsters software reliability. GenAI's potential reaches further, such as automating build configurations, optimizing deployment strategies, and even in streamlining version control process. Tools like Copilot and the Codex models can enhance this automation, while platforms like Code Whisper offers refined code insights. On first stage we have testing, yes, so we can see here. So generative AI can automate test case generation by analyzing software specifications and user stories. It predicts potential edge cases, ensuring comprehensive coverage, and tailors tests to validate all functionalities, enhancing the software testing phase. It also enhances test data set creation by analyzing application parameters and behaviors. It generates diverse synthetic data catering to various scenarios, ensuring comprehensive testing and bolstering software validation process. The name of this feature is test data set generation. Testing automation, for sure, yes, because GenAI automates testing process by generating test scripts and scenarios. It predicts possible scenarios, ensuring efficient test coverage and accelerating the testing phase, thus enhancing software reliability. Root cause analysis aids, yes, GenAI can help and aid root cause analysis by analyzing incident logs and identifying underlying issues. It predicts potential causes, expediting problem resolution, and enhancing software stability through proactive troubleshooting. Apart from the above, generative AI extends to areas such as anomaly detection in real-time monitoring, auto-generation of testing documentation, and predictive identification of potential vulnerabilities. Its ability to anticipate issues and streamline testing processes empowers software teams to deliver more resilient and high-quality products, ultimately enhancing user satisfaction and system reliability. Fifth step, we have implementation. Helps with implementation phase. It's everything about generating infrastructure as code, generating a container, build scripts, etc. Okay, let's go through step by step. Okay, generative AI can create infrastructure as code. Definitions tailored to a variety of cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. This automation ensures consistent and efficient infrastructure deployment across multiple environments. And I mentioned about that generating container build scripts. So with GenAI, developers can automate the creation of container build scripts tailored for specific languages and frameworks such as Python, Java, or Node.js. This aids in achieving a standardized and reproducible container deployment process. Generative CI/CD pipelines. For sure, streamline continuous integration and continuous deployment by auto-generating pipelines which are fine-tuned to be intricacies of each project. This leads to faster and more reliable software release cycle. By leveraging Gen AI, potential security vulnerabilities within infrastructure as code can be detected and rectified proactively. This ensures a secure foundation for application, reducing the risk of breaches and attacks. Gen AI has the potential to significantly simplify and automate the implementation phase of DevOps projects. This can help to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and free up DevOps engineers to focus on more strategic tasks. And sixth stage is supporting and maintenance. Can help with supporting and maintenance. Generative AI doing a great job with it as well. It's doing it by automating the process of identifying and fixing bugs, optimizing the performance of the software system, and helping clients with basic queries. What about anomaly detection and alerting? Gen AI continuously scrutinizes software systems, identifying any irregularities or deviations from the norm. Should any discrepancies arise, the system automatically triggers alerts, ensuring that teams can respond promptly to potential issues. What about feedback analysis and bug prioritization? Through the analysis of user feedback, generative AI discerns prevalent issues and user concerns. This intelligence allows development teams to prioritize and address the most pressing bugs, enhancing user satisfaction and system stability. Generative AI dives deep into incident logs, also going through patterns and underlying causes of recurrent problems. Based on this analysis, it proposes viable solution, guiding teams toward effective and long-lasting resolutions. So I powered support tools because it can craft sophisticated chatbots or AI-driven support tools tailored to address frequent customer inquiries. These digital assistants provide instant responses, streamlining user support and enhancing customer experience. In the realm of support and maintenance, generative AI emerges as a versatile ally, optimizing issue detection, resolution, customer assistance, fostering a resilient and user-centric software ecosystem. So what we have from challenges and concerns perspective. While generative AI offers transformative potential in software development, it presents its own set of challenges. The reliability of the generated code remains questionable, occasionally necessitating human oversight for verification. Ethically, concerns arise from potential job displacement and inherent AI biases that might creep into implications. And over-reliance on AI recommendations can lead to stagnated human innovation and critical thinking. Intellectual property rights become blurry when AI autonomously creates code. Lastly, the black box nature of AI poses a challenge. Understanding the intricate decision-making process of these systems remains elusive, making it difficult to ascertain why certain recommendations are made. Mitigating these risks involves a multifaceted approach. So first of all, we have implementing rigorous code validation processes can address reliability issues. Secondly is ethical Considerations demand unbiased data and algorithmic transparency. Third is combining AI assistance with human expertise can prevent over-reliance. Next one, legal frameworks need to evolve for clear intellectual property attribution. And last one but not least, addressing the black box challenge involved developing interpretable AI models and fostering transparency initiatives. Navigating the immense potential of generative AI in software development requires careful consideration of its accompanying challenges to ensure sustainable and ethical advancements. So we're gonna to wrap up, and in conclusion I would say that the transformative power of generative AI in reshaping software development is offering revolutionary tools and efficiencies previously unimagined. However, the true magic lies in striking a balance, merging the unparalleled capabilities of AI with human expertise, ensuring that technology augments rather than replaces human creativity and judgment. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, I encourage each of you to dive deeper, continuously learning and actively participate in shaping this exciting field. So thank you for today's video. It was nice to have you today, and see you on my next video. Bye.